Good morning, YouTube. Gonna do another cold start video on the 07 F150. Told you guys on my last video that I had some exhaust things to do and it was gonna change the sound of the vehicle. What happened is one of my cats was partially plugged, causing my vehicle to get warm when I was driving it, causing the fan clutch to kick on. So took it in, had a diagnostics done, was caused by one of my coil plugs failing, causing excessive fuel to get into the motor, which then get into the exhaust system because it was unburned, which then caused the cat to fail. So I took it into our local muffler shop. They put on a Magnaflow high flow cat. Shout out to Magnaflow because it sounds great. So we're going to go ahead and do a cold start of that and you guys can hear how it sounds. Here we go. Like and subscribe if you choose. Try to get some more content up for you guys. I'm going to travel to Boise this next week, so I'll see if I can get something filmed while I'm down there. Have a great day.